Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Today I'm diving into a word that can give you a serious edge on test day, Abridge. Ready? Let's go. First things first, what does Abridge mean? To abridge something is to shorten it without losing the essential meaning. Think of it like editing a movie to cut out the boring parts while keeping the storyline intact. So, why is Abridge important for the GRE? The GRE is notorious for testing your vocabulary, and Abridge is a prime example of the sophisticated words you'll encounter. It's not just about knowing the word, but understanding how it fits into different contexts. Imagine you're reading a dense passage in the GRE verbal section. The ability to recognize a word like abridge can help you quickly grasp the main idea, saving you precious time. And trust me, every second counts on this test. Now, let's see abridge in action. Here's a sentence. The editor decided to abridge the lengthy article to fit the magazine's word count. Notice how abridge indicates the article is being shortened, but still retains its core message. Another example. The novel was abridged for young readers. This tells us the novel was condensed to make it more accessible, without losing its essence. Understanding and using words like abridge can also boost your writing score. When you use precise vocabulary, your essays become more compelling and concise. Instead of writing "the author made the book shorter," you could say, "the author abridged the book." See how much more powerful that sounds? To make the most of your GRE prep, incorporate words like abridge into your daily vocabulary practice. Create flashcards, use the words in sentences, and quiz yourself regularly. And don't stop there. Read articles, books, and essays that challenge you. When you encounter a new word, look it up, understand it, and then use it. The more you engage with advanced vocabulary, the more confident you'll be on test day. Remember, the GRE isn't just testing what you know, it's testing how well you can apply what you know. Mastering words like abridge is a small step that can lead to a big payoff. So keep grinding, stay focused, and soon you'll be crushing those GRE vocab questions. Good luck, and happy studying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more GRE tips and tricks. See you next time.